Okay, today we're going to do an experiment called Color Symphony. First of all, you take some milk, open it, and you pour it onto the bottom layer of a flat baking tray, at least a cookie tray. Okay. So make sure you cover the whole nice thing. You put a bit of coloring, 6 to 8 drops, 3 of color at least, at different locations. Wait up. 6 to 8 drops. Do it at different place, and make sure you don't do it as big as mine. Burn. Few drops, all that's needed. Okay. 3 different colors, and you'll be ready to go. Okay. Now, the magic bit. The place where you have to focus really now. So I put the soap. Now you have to watch that. Now, I like to say at this point, I had not put milk there and I thought it stuck there. Now it's a blockage. But it's amazing. Cut! Stop it. Okay, now you have to, when you want to wash it off, all you have to do is just dump it down the drain. Do not drink it, okay? This is so cool.
Hey!
This watch it is moving by itself. Very cool.